Hello everybody and welcome to the fifth practice video for simplifying algebraic expressions. So in question 1 we start by multiplying out the first bracket the same as we've done in previous videos. So we times 4 by x squared and we get 4x squared, and then we multiply 4 by minus 3x, which gives us minus 12x. However, next there's two brackets multiplied by each other, so we're going to put an extra step in here and multiply those brackets out first, and that should hopefully stop us making any small errors. So we're going to multiply out these two brackets and we're going to put the result inside these yellow brackets. So x times by x is x squared, and x times by 4 is plus 4x. And then we take the 1 and we times that by x, which gives us just plus x. And 1 times by 4 is plus 4. So now we're going to write that out again, but we're going to combine similar terms that are inside the yellow brackets. And as you can see, there's only one x squared, so that remains the same. But there's a plus 4x and an x, so we'll have plus 5x. And there's only one constant plus 4, so that remains the same. And next we want to get rid of the yellow bracket by multiplying it by whatever is outside the yellow bracket. In this case it would be a minus 1. So minus 1 times by x squared is minus x squared. Minus 1 times by 5x is going to be minus 5x. And minus 1 times by 4 is minus 4. So now we have no more brackets, we can add the similar terms together, and we have 4x squared and minus x squared, which gives us 3x squared. We have minus 12x and a minus 5x, which gives us minus 17x, and only one constant minus 4, which remains the same. So the final answer is 3x squared minus 17x minus 4. In the second question, we're going to do the same. We're going to multiply out the first bracket first, which is 2 times 3x squared gives us 6x squared, and 2 times minus 5, which gives us minus 10. Then we're going to multiply out the next two brackets and put the result inside these yellow brackets. So x times x is x squared, x times minus 3 is minus 3x, 2 times by x is plus 2x, and 2 times by minus 3 is minus 6. Then we want to write this out again, combining the similar terms inside the yellow bracket. And as you can see, we have only one x squared, so that remains the same, x squared. But we have a minus 3x and a plus 2x, so we have minus x. And we only have one constant, which is minus 6, so that remains the same. Next, we want to get rid of the yellow bracket, so we have to multiply everything inside the yellow bracket by minus 1. And minus 1 times by x squared is a minus x squared. Minus 1 times by minus x is a plus x, and minus 1 times by minus 6 is plus 6. And finally, we can combine all the similar terms together. And 6x squared plus minus x squared gives us 5x squared. We only have one term with x in it, which remains the same, it's just x. And the constants, we have minus 10 and a plus 6, so we have minus 4. Moving on to question 3, again, we start by multiplying out the first bracket. So we have 4 times 2x squared, which is 8x squared. Then 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. And then we'll multiply out the last two brackets and put the result inside these yellow brackets. So we have x times by x, which is x squared. We have x times by plus 5, which is plus 5x. Then minus 4 times by x gives us minus 4x. And minus 4 times by 5 gives us minus 20. Then we want to write this out again, combining similar terms within the yellow bracket. There's only one term with x squared in it, so that remains the same. We have two terms with x in it, so we have plus 5x minus 4x, so that becomes just plus x, and we only have one constant minus 20, so that remains the same. Then we want to get rid of the yellow bracket by multiplying everything inside it by minus 1. So we have minus 1 times by x squared is minus x squared. Minus 1 times by x is minus x. And minus 1 times by minus 20 is plus 20. Then we can add the similar terms together. And we have 8x squared and a minus x squared. So we have 7x squared in the answer. We only have one term with x in it, so that remains the same, minus x, and we have two constants, a minus 12 and a plus 20, so that becomes a plus 8. Well, unfortunately, I've just looked at the clock and I'm up to 5 minutes already, so I'll have to stop here and continue in the next video. So, as always, thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you could hit that like, that'd really help me out, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks a lot. See you soon.